How are we going to do this? I mean, we can make the database a linear resource even if none of the resources it uses are linear. There's no reason we can't do that. It's just a bit more lame. Unfortunately, there's not a total way to read an entire file, but that's just the nature of dealing with the outside world. Yeah, okay. This is going to be definitely a lame way of doing it. Where is remove file? Yeah, so we give it a name. Okay. So the file won't be a file, it'll be a string, because it'll be the name. Path, I guess. What else does the database need? The database also needs the actual data, so we'll just keep that as a list of cards. Cards, which I guess can be... Did I make a whole data type for this? I did. I'm going to get rid of this. This looks like an ugly hack. It was really just to implement show on card, since show's already implemented on list. So we'll get rid of this. Did I delete my cards as well? Yes, I did, but that's fine because I've already got them in here. All right, we'll get rid of this. So this, we will just make this a list of card. Is that all we need for now? I think so. We'll group those together like that. We'll move the score up to the score type. Okay. And now open DB. So what we want to do here is we want to take a string, and I think we want to return something. Well, okay, here's the problem. I don't think DB has the right type to do this. So we can probably just go DB IO, I guess. DB op, I don't know. And this is a type, and then DB op needs to be what does it need to be? I think it needs to, so action takes in an IOA, where IO is, I think, this, and A is this. So IO needs to be a type to type. And then bind. I mean, like, essentially we need it to be a monad, I guess. I think a db op is, I think it needs to take a function. Is that right? Do I need to make this not like a data type? Because I'm not sure I can get away with making a type alias. Can I? What is the simplest way to do this? Because what I'm trying to do now is I'm trying to essentially inject... Oh, why are there so many spaces here? What the fuck? Trying to inject a type into this linearity monad, I guess. But it essentially takes a monad and makes it a linear one. I don't really have a monad. I guess the monad is like functions which take a db. Is this a monad? What's it a monad over? Functions a to b? Yeah, it's a monad over functions from a to b, I think. I don't think it's going to type check. And then a. Yeah, because I wanted to return a db. No, I don't want it to return a db. I want the db itself to be linear. Is there an easy way to annotate that? I don't know, does that work? I have no idea. I don't think we need that, actually. Alright. Couldn't pass any alternatives. Yeah. Okay, data db, which is a one type. I don't know if this will work either. Make db, give me a string, give me a list of cards, and I'll give you a db. Oh, yeah, put those back. Okay. Okay, it doesn't like that. What is the notation for this? Because the thing is, I don't want someone to be able to open up two databases, but I don't know if there's an easy way to model that. Because I don't want the database just to be linear in its usage. I want it to be globally unique, and I don't know if there's a good way to do that. Because apparently making this function itself single use is inconsistent. A top level single use function is inconsistent. What is it exactly? Idris top. Yeah, is it in my history? Maybe not. Idris to GitHub. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, a single use function. This also type checks. I'm not sure what the point of top level functions with quantity 1 is, but this does appear to be inconsistent. What has he actually done? Bar equals Q, where Q equals foo. Oh, because we've erased the linearity, we can use bar more than once. Yeah.